Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sprouted moong. First, let's prepare our sprouts. Take about 1 cup of fresh sprouted moong and give them a good rinse under cold, running water. This helps clean them and removes any loose skins. Make sure to pick out any beans that haven't sprouted or look a bit off. Then, drain them really well using a fine mesh sieve, ensuring no excess water remains. This simple step is crucial for a great final dish. Now let's get cooking. You have a couple of great options. You can steam your sprouted moong for about 5 to 7 minutes. This method keeps them wonderfully tender crisp. Another excellent way is to boil them in lightly salted water for just 3 to 5 minutes. The key here is not to overcook them. We want to preserve their fantastic texture and all those healthy nutrients. Time to add some amazing flavor. In a small pan, heat about 1 tablespoon of your favorite cooking oil. Once warm, add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds, letting them splutter. Then, toss in a pinch of asafoetida, a few fresh curry leaves, and 1 finely chopped green chili for a little kick. Finally, combine this aromatic tempering with your cooked sprouts and finish with a generous squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Your delicious sprouted moong is ready to enjoy. Serve it warm as a fantastic, healthy side dish with your main meal, or simply as a light, nutritious snack. A sprinkle of fresh cilantro adds a lovely touch of freshness and makes it look even more appealing. You're not just enjoying a tasty meal, you're also getting a wonderful boost of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins. It's a simple, wholesome, and incredibly beneficial dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.